There's no notes here. So what is algebra? What is algebra?
Okay.
Okay. So algebra is a lot like arithmetic because it follows all the rules in arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So in algebra, it introduces the new element, which is the unknown. So in arithmetic, the only unknown is the answer to a problem 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to a back or a what. It will only known when you do the arithmetic 1 plus 2 equals 3. So in arithmetic, we usually write like this: 1 plus 2 is equals to blank or a box. In algebra, we write like this: 1 plus 2 is equals to x. So the important thing about in algebra is that we don't know what the number is yet. We use any letter from the alphabet A to Z, and the popular letter we use is the letter X. The letter X, like that.